Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how Deriv Accumulator works. So, Deriv Accumulators is one of the new trade types introduced by Deriv. It works on duration and range. I'm going to show you on the Deriv site. If you don't have Deriv's account, check the description in this video to register an account with Deriv so that you can trade accumulators. Okay, I'm going to explain this accumulator with demo account. Okay, because this is for demonstration. Okay, you click on this rise and fall. You look for accumulator. Look at it, it's new. It's a new trade type. You can see, if I minimize the screen, you will see there is a rectangle with upper and lower limit. The upper boundary shows the price difference between the spot price and the exit price. That is, the exit price is the price at which we lose if price hit it, if the spot price hit the exit price, or if the spot price become equal to the exit price. But if the spot price is not equal to the exit price, you keep accumulating profit at a rate given by these numbers. I prefer using 5%. If you go to the explanation, it shows you that you are going to grow at 5% per tick, so long the current spot price remain within plus or minus 0.00860% from the previous spot price. Let me explain what this thing means. Look at the current spot price. The current spot price is 547,746. Okay, so if I take this to calculator, 500 and let's go again, let's check it again. The spot price is at 547, or let's call it 547,832. 547,832. You are going to multiply it by that percentage, plus or minus. So it is 0.00860%. 0.00860%. Are you getting it? So plus or minus. Once the price does not change by either plus 47 or minus 47, once the price does not change by this amount, you are going to keep accumulating profit at a rate of 5% per tick. For every tick, your profit grows by 5%, meaning that your profit will be growing exponentially. This type of trading is good when the market is ranging in 1 minute time frame. Okay, I'm not going to teach you how to get accumulator signal, but I'm showing you the basic. If you want to learn how to trade accumulator, you have to enroll for my accumulator course. The enrollment fee is not big. With $100, you can get the course and you will learn everything about how to trade accumulator. I will drop a video link about how I took $1 to $270 plus trading accumulators, so that you know that when you enroll for the course, you are going to learn more. Okay, so this place is where you type the amount you want to stake. Okay, this is where you type the amount you want to stake. You can use this plus sign to increase it, or you use the minus sign to reduce it. Okay, if it doesn't work, you can type it direct. Okay, this is take profit. If you check on take profit, you type the take profit. I prefer 100% take profit. That means your take profit will be equal to your stake. Okay. Now let me go and check signal. I'm going to place one. Okay, right now I've gotten a signal volatility 25.1s. I'm going to buy now. I'm going to buy now. It's reading. You can see it's reading. Price is within the range. We are going to hit profit. We have hit profit. You can see. That's what we are saying. 100% profit made. You need to enroll for this accumulator course and change your life. We know how to get this. All you need to do is to DM me on Telegram. We also offer other type of signals. We offer signals on different type of market. We have good group, good US starting and good group. We have Forex and synthetic group. We have binary group. We have boom and crash group. You have to select the one you wanna join and start changing your life. You can see how accurate our signal is. Okay, thank you and bye for now.